Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how we can create a virtual number to set up a completely new WhatsApp account. As you can see, I'm currently using two WhatsApp accounts. This one is going to be my secondary account, which I'll use for business purposes. I'll be confirming things with some people I don't know yet, depending on what I need it for. The other account here is my main one. If you haven't seen my video on how to use two WhatsApp accounts, I recommend you check it out on my channel. So in this video, we'll be generating a new WhatsApp account using a virtual number. That means you won't need a SIM card to do it. First, let's open up our browser and create a new tab. Now, you need to type this URL exactly as it appears on the screen. Go ahead and click to access the page. And once you're on it, just click the button that says CodeChat. Once you're here, we need to type a command to unlock advanced features that will give us extra tools. These tools won't be available unless we use this command. The command is super user. Make sure to type it in lowercase, just as it appears with those two vertical bars at the beginning. As you can see, it tells me I'm a super user and can now access all the information. Now it's asking me to enter a command, which is displayed right below. I could also type it directly. Now let's look for it so you can see how it's done. The command you're looking for is wp-account. You're gonna type that in and hit send, and it will directly open the tool for you. It tells me that the number generation is limited per user, and if the indicated region is saturated, the number will be generated from another country. Now it asks me to enter the country where I want to create the account. So I just type in Mexico, and the process begins. You'll see that the information is being received and the process will start. Once the process is done, it tells me that the session for my account has been updated. Now it asks me to complete a verification. It's asking me to prove I'm not a robot through a secure link. So I just need to click the green button to verify. I'll click it and it'll take me to the next tab. It tells me I need to install one of the sponsor apps to continue. All you need to do is install one of the apps, but you must read the instructions carefully. I once installed it without reading the instructions and it didn't verify me. So I'll click free, then click install. And if it takes us to Google Play, we'll install it and follow the instructions. Once it's done, the verification process finishes. And I see the green button now. Now that the verification is complete, we'll use the following credentials to log in. It shows me the number, so I'll try to copy it. Here it is, and here's the code. Let's see if this works. Here we have the country code 52, and we're going to paste it. It gets pasted automatically, and then we click the next button. So guys, here we've already logged in. What I did was add some contacts I already had. Now let's see if we can pull off a prank. Let's send a message and see if they reply. Hey, guess who I am? We'll send that and add a little emoji. We send it, and hopefully we can fool some people and tell them it's us from a new account we just created. The interesting thing, guys, is that if you go to settings and then to the account section, you can change the email address. The worst part is that you can also change the number. Keep in mind that there are some numbers that can be changed, but in this case, this account allows me to do it. So when I want to take more control of this WhatsApp account, I'll just buy a SIM card, change the number, and update it here. Well, guys, that's how you can use a virtual account for WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave your comment, subscribe to the channel, and of course, we'll see you in the next video. See you later.